I hear you. I know you want to make money online, but let me ask you this question really quick. Do you really believe you can earn money online doing absolutely nothing? Like literally zero effort? That to me sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's because it is. And once upon a time, I thought of the same way. And guess what? I got scammed. You know, how we thought we can give our money and it will get multiplied for us. I did a couple of things like that. And up till date, I missed the money I put into double money scheme. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinyere and I help you discover smart, easy ways to make money online. If you're all about making money the easiest way, the right way, the quick way, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos from me. Feel free to leave a comment with any questions. I do my best to respond once I get the time to. But here is what I believe before we go into all that I want to share with you today. This is what I believe. For you to make money, whether online or offline, you have to do something. And today I'm showing you 3 online jobs that are super easy. They would feel like you're doing almost nothing. Mark my word, I said almost nothing. That means you have to do something. The first job is testing websites and apps for cash. How do you feel about getting paid just for testing websites and apps? That sounds techy, right? But it's not, trust me. You don't need to be computer genius to do this. For you to get started with this, I'm just going to walk you through how it works. Company wants real people to test their website, test their apps before they go ahead to launch it. Your job here is literally very simple. You use the website as a normal user, then you provide feedback. These feedbacks help them to further improve their product. Some techs may ask you to record your screen and share your thoughts as you would, and you will do that as you proceed to record your screen. What to look out for in this job is the slide slow or is it difficult to load? Is it hard for consumers to find information? Are the buttons confusing or broken? Like those little things that makes this product easier for their end user. This is where you can get started. You can use Try My UI. They pay $10 per test. Each text takes 20 minutes maximum for you to finish. Another site to use is user testing. They pay up to $60 per text for 5 interviews. How much you can make on this site will determine on you. If you test 3 websites in 1 hour, that is $30 per hour. If you get to test 10 a day, that's like $100 a day. Try My UI pays every Friday via PayPal. So sign up on multiple platforms to increase your chance of getting this test job. There are actually a lot of sites where you can do this. Now, don't forget to register on Try My UI and take your first step. That is your first step to earning your money. Now, the second job you can do is answering paid survey. And you have probably heard this over and over. When I was in the university, I was broke, right? So broke that there were a competition I would have taken first in, but I thought online survey would like be my gold ticket. But here I am today. But finding legit sites was a struggle. Like it was really a struggle to find legit sites. So that is what I'm doing for you today. And this is how it works. Company need consumers' feedback to improve their product. And what this is, they pay people like you and me to answer simple survey questions that would further help them improve their website. Now, survey usually would take 5 to 20 minutes in some cases. Some surveys might take more than that. And you can do them at any time. How much you earn would depend on how much surveys you're able to do per day. Like I told you before, this is not a get rich quick scheme, but you can easily make $80 to $200 monthly. Now, the best survey site you can check out is Swagbots. You earn cash and gift card from this platform. We have branded survey. They pay up to $5 per survey. We have My Points. They offer a $10 welcome bonus just for signing up. So all you have to do is to sign up for 3 to 5 surveys sites to increase your earning and your chance of making more money monthly. Now, your action step from here is to join Swagboss on My Points and complete your first survey and start earning almost immediately. The third job you can do is proofreading for cash. So if you have a good eyes for spotting typos, grammar mistakes, and spelling errors, this job is for you. My first job on Upwork was proofreading, and I made around $40 for a 4 hours transcript. To this day, I'm still proud of that very one because it shows how much you can really make. How does this work? You read and correct grammar, punctuation, formatting mistakes, and just to ensure that the end work of whoever that gives you this comes out good. Companies, bloggers, authors will pay for professionals to proofread. For this, you do not need any experience. You can start small and build up your skill. How much you can make? Beginners earn around $15 to $20 per hour if you proofread 5 documents a day. That's like close to $100 per day. Now, where do you find proofreading jobs? You can find it on places like Fiverr. Create a gig and get hired for small projects that you can easily do. You can also find Upwork, freelance market for long-term clients who would work with you over and over. You can also use people per hour where you can find proofreading jobs in demand. And if you want to like really make even more, you can transition into transcription jobs, which pay even higher. Now, your action step to take from here is to create a Fiverr account or an Upwork account, upload a proofreading sample of your work that you've done, and this can potentially get you hired. Let me know which online job you want to try first or you'll be trying first. Let me recap the 3 easiest online jobs for beginners that you can start today. Website testing, you earn $10 per test, and you can try using Try My UI or user testing. Let me know if you want a full detailed videos that walk you through each of these platforms. You can try paid survey, easy side income. You can make up to $100 per month or $200, and you can try Swagbots. Proofreading, you can make $15 to $20 per hour, fixing typo errors, and you can try Upwork or Fiverr. Comment below which of these online job you have tried or you would try first. Have you made money online before? Share your experience. I would definitely love to read from you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs it. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more ways to make money online. Thank you once again for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. I'm excited to see you earn, and I cannot wait to see you win. Happy earning. Bye.